Oh my god, everyone is buying this coin right now. There's so much volatility, which means that it is perfect for this coin. I'm pretty sure we'll be able to hit 70k, bro. Alright, yo, it's actually looking pretty solid, bro. I love these buyers coming in. Alright, that's perfect. Alright, come on, just a couple more buyers. Yo, honestly, bro, I'm just gonna cut the profit short. Once we hit 50k, I'm gonna remove liquidity. Come on, bro. Oh my god, no, I have no more time to waste, bro. Fuck it. What you wanna do, go to the website, click on the minus button, 100%, remove liquidity. Okay, good shit. And then confirm. Oh my god! We just made! Just look at my Phantom wallet. It's unreal. I've made well over $645,000 in just the past month launching meme coins on the Solana blockchain. Stick around and I'll walk you through exactly how I did it step by step. Look at all these coins. Every single second there's a new coin that is created on the Solana blockchain. Believe it or not, most of these coins are dog shit. They will never ever make it. Look at this one, bro. It's 100% guaranteed that each coin on Bullex, on Photon, on Pump.Fun will eventually go to zero. Let me tell y'all, bro, I used to trade meme coins just like you guys, trying to make a profit. But bro, I know you turned to this video because you wanted to get out of that situation and start making these coins yourself. The reason why you'd make these coins is the following. Wait, let me find a coin. So basically, right, all we do is we create a coin, we wait for buyers, and we dump. As simple as that. I'm telling you guys, it's as simple as that. We need to find a good narrative. We need to build a tiny little community, and that's all we need to do. We need to get buyers. We need to attract attention. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly how you guys can do it too and make a few $1,000s, if not millions. And I'm telling you guys, once you get that one good coin, you will be set, bro. I know you won't be able to turn back. I know the money will be too easy, too simple, and you'll just want to keep creating coins. And I'm telling you, you can do that, bro. That's the good thing with this method. It's fully repeatable. All you need to do is go on coinlabs.fun, and this website will help you guys launch your first meme coin and possibly making hella bread. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only. So please do not copy me, but enjoy the video. Now, if y'all want to print a shit ton of money, listen up. Coinlabs.fun is the best way to go. It requires no coding. Your coins get created in seconds on the Radium liquidity pool. And what that is, basically the liquidity pool for all the big ass coins that everyone sees, and you'll be getting way more buys as if you created your coin on Pump.Fun. Now, why Pump.Fun is horrible is because your coins need to reach a $90,000 market cap. And what that does is at 90,000, your coin gets put to the liquidity pool on Radium, but it takes way too much time. This is why CoinLabs fixes all those problems. Now, the way to make quick ass money is by going on the copy trending coin tab on the website coinlabs.fun. This tab is basically the website going through thousands of meme coins on the Radium Dex, on the Pump.Fun Dex, trying to find coins that are proven to print thousands of dollars. And my golden strategy, my golden rule is, when you refresh, try to find, first of all, a good coin with a good narrative. So for example, we have a lot of Israel and Iran war narratives going on right now. The second golden rule is going to be try to find a coin with a market cap of over $30,000, which will ensure it to have at least a bit of traction. And last but not least, once you refresh the list, try to find a coin with a last bot with under 15 seconds. I guarantee a profit by doing this method. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyan from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are going to be seeing, they're only two. Basically, I'm on a trip, and those are my last two recorded launches that were actually pretty good. So that's why y'all are going to be seeing them a hella ton, because I am on vacation. Alright, so now you guys made it this far into the video, we're going to do the live carpet. Now, we're gonna create a coin on this one. I like it, a good market cap, a good last bot, everything is good. So we're gonna proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then it will take us to a page where we can create the liquidity pool. So this is token address for your coin. Now, All we have to do in this part is add 90% of the market cap to the public and 10% for yourself, which by the way, you will be getting this money back, so don't worry. And for the amount of token B, it's basically liquidity in your coin. So we're gonna put anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 is a good bet, so we're gonna put 0.3 for the sake of the video. Then we're gonna create on creating pool, and then our liquidity pool should be created. So let's confirm, and then there we have it. Our liquidity pool has been created. Now if we wait a little bit, we refresh, there is our coin. So how are you guys gonna see it? We're gonna click on view on Photon, and then it should take us, I just came back from a 20-minute walk, so shit. Here is our coin. So it already has hella buys. It looks to be stagnating a bit. I mean, I guess the coin did pretty well. So honestly, 26k is not that bad for a coin launch. What we're gonna do, we're gonna remove liquidity from this coin to get all of that sweet money. So all we would do is go back to the website. All you guys have to do to remove liquidity is click on the minus button 100%, remove liquidity. We will be removing 192 Solana, so let's go ahead and confirm that's about like $20,000. And then boom, there we go. The coin has successfully been rugged. Now look, our coin is at 0 obviously because we removed all the liquidity, and all you guys have to do is check your balance and the money should be there. It's as simple as that. $24,000 printed in 30 minutes. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.